My name is Ubaid Awan from Summer TV, Karachi. Your next match against Pakistan, will you go the same combination for this?
As I said, we'll choose the 11 depending on the opposition that we are playing, and also what kind of a wicket we are playing on. और आज के बाद बारिश का भी ध्यान रखेंगे कि बारिश ना हो. So we'll see क्या कर सकते हैं. अम्ब्रेला लेके भी खेलना पड़ेगा.
Captain will take questions on his next match against Pakistan. 5 questions only.
When really, frankly speaking, the kind of resources you have, how much confidence do you have on this team that they can actually make a comeback given what has happened today and the resources that you have in your command right now?
I think if you just see the potential, I think the team has got the potential. It's just that we'll have to implement it on the field. You can say the performance needs to reflect, on the field, because that's something that's very important. Also, what's important is for us to, go into the field and just express ourselves, because, we may not lose badly. You may not have a worse game than what really happened for us today. So let's go out there, express ourselves. Let's play the big shots and bowl with a lot of confidence. And whatever the result may be, let's not care about the result, because it's a very different format. You can't do a lot of planning as to we'll do this, we'll do that. Just go out. You have the talent, you have the resource. Just express yourself.
Hi MS. Batting, looking at the other 2 matches and especially the match against Pakistan, batting and bowling can click in the next match. But how big a concern is fielding for the Indian team at the moment?
Fielding, I'm not too much worried about the fielding. Today there were a few misfields, and if you see this particular cricket stadium, it's a bit bumpy out now. I don't know the reason. Maybe it's because of the monsoons or just after the monsoon, but it's a bit bumpy. So misfields can happen. You just have to wait for your turn as to if the ball decides to give you a bad bounce, and if it's your turn, then you'll do a bad fielding for sure. So it's not only us, a few other sides, they are also struggling with that, but we are hoping that it doesn't become very critical in a game where 2 or 3 runs can matter.
Lost 2. By the fact that you need to win both the games remaining, and your next game is against Pakistan, which is an extra pressure game. Now what does it do? Does it put extra pressure, or does it give you a sense of burn the bridges and just go out there and express yourself?
Well, if you see, we are always at the top of when it comes to the pressure chain. The most you can mount, we have always been that, because of the expectation level. Back home we are expected to win everything. So I don't think it can go really beyond that limit. So we are always there. So it doesn't really matter for us. What's important is to enjoy the game and not think about the result too much.
Last one.
Mai, from you watched both games today. From 4 innings played today, how much character did the pitch change? And considering you are playing another night game day after, what lessons does it hold for the game against Pakistan?
Well, the wicket has slowed down a lot. If you compare it to the last series we played or the first few games that we have played. Even today, when the Australian spinners were bowling, it was gripping and it was not really coming onto the bat, which meant, if you had a few variations, you can trouble the batsmen, especially the big shots were not really easy to play. So looking at the amount of break that the curator has to maintain the wicket, I still think it will be on the slower side, because they'll use the same strip to play the matches. So we are hoping the slower bowlers will come into action.
Thank you, Arvind.